Welcome to Double Vowel Sound 3. This is the last lesson for Double Vowel Sounds, and we'll only be going over 2 sounds. Now these sounds share the same final sound, but the beginning is a bit different. Now these 2 sounds are O and ow. Okay? Now let's break each one down and learn how to pronounce it clearly. Alright, now this first sound is O. Okay? O. Now watch where the mouth starts and ends. O. O. Okay? So it opens and then closes. O. O. Alright, let's practice together. O. 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 Alright, good job. Alright, now this sound is ow. Okay? Ow. Now watch the mouth. Ow. The mouth starts all the way back. And as the sound is made, the lips come forward and close. Ow. Alright? Now practice with me. Ow. 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 Alright, good job. Alright, so now that you can make the sounds clearly, let's practice putting them into English words and pronouncing those words clearly. So the first sound was O. Alright, now we can find that sound in words such as show. And the next sound was ow. We find that sound in words such as mouth. Alright? So now let's practice saying those words slowly and then at a more natural speed. So repeat after me. Show, mouth. Show, mouth. Show, mouth. Okay, now a little faster. Show, mouth. Show, mouth. Show, mouth. Okay, now at a natural speed. Show, mouth. Show, mouth. Show, mouth. Alright, keep practicing those, and then we'll put those into a sentence to practice our fluency. Alright, so now we can make the sounds clearly, and we know how to use them in words. Let's put that all together and start saying a sentence to work on our fluency and clear pronunciation. The sentence is, show the mouth. Okay, so show the mouth. Let's say it slow at first, and then we'll speed it up until we get to a more natural pace. So repeat after me. Show the mouth. Show the mouth. Show the mouth. Okay, now a little faster. Show the mouth. Show the mouth. Show the mouth. Alright? Now at a natural speed. Show the mouth. Show the mouth. Show the mouth. show the mouth. Okay, good. Now practice that until you can produce it clearly and fluently.